So today I'm going to fit these to my own vehicle. So today we're going to be fitting the Tarmac rear side louvers. These need sticking on. We're going to be using Tiger Seal to bond them on. I recommend a pair of gloves. So basically, clean all your window off, degrease it, get it all prepared. Once it's all prepared, get your gloves on if you can. First off, make sure the back is all clean. And then you'll need your Tiger Seal. Now, I add a little bit down through this bit. It does just touch the window when it's fitted. So if you put enough on there, you will get a seal. And then it's basically work your way around the edge. Try and get it in the middle if you can, because when you exert the pressure down on it, it will squidge out enough to seal. You don't need a great deal, but just enough to see that it would squirt out. I'd say go through the middle because it would evenly push out when you go around. So around there and then all the way along the bottom bit. Now you're going to need some tape as well to help hold this on whilst it's drying. Good couple of hours to let it bond off. Don't go too mad with it, because it is quite nasty stuff to get off. So basically all around the edges, little tiny piece in there. Like I say, it does just touch the window, so a little bit more on there will help it bond down. All around the edges, the three edges. Don't worry about this bit because this bit butts up to the actual B post. So that's preparation to put it on. Okay, so degrease the window, clean it right off. Take particular job around the edges to clean it right off. Make sure you get it really clean. And then it's basically a case face side down with a sticky glue. Slot it up in. Don't worry about any over because you can soon clean that off. So it's onto the top of the runner. There's a little groove in the back that you'll see which fits the little groove in the actual windowsill. So stick it onto the windowsill, push it down, and then basically butt up towards the front against the B post, and then just push it down. Now the bit that I said about before, it's just in there, so give it a little push, it will stick, and push that down onto the glass. So it's better to push it down here, allow it to come down on its own accord. You can give it a little move round to get it right. There we go. So that's anything that you have got running out over the edges you can clean off. So you can just clean off the black that's squeezed out. Make sure it's bonded down well. Make sure it's all in its place. Now the actual louvers do come with a plastic film on. I would suggest leaving that on until it's all dry. It will protect you if you get any of the Tiger Seal on your fingers. It won't stick to it. You can just peel off the overlay afterwards. So now it's all in position. Masking tape, plenty of it. Pull it down. Try and get it as tight as you can. It's only to hold it there while it's drying. Pull it right the way down. Just constantly make sure that it is still in place. It's sat where you want it. Like I say, this is just to help it stay in place whilst the tiger seal is actually drying out. Now I found I like to put 3 bits of little strips of cardboard, and if you put them into the sill under where the tailgate is going to shut, you put them down there and then get somebody to drop the tailgate for you, minding your fingers. Just put it up a bit. There we go. This is just going to give extra force down the top to help settle it in. Slowly down. Keep on going. That's it. And give it a slam down. That's it. Now that's actually quite tight. That's pushing right down on there. So just double check you haven't got any on the paintwork. Give it a quick clean off. You could mask the area completely out with paper, newspaper, so if you did get any on your fingers, it won't get transferred to your paint. Like I say, I like to put lots of tape on just to help it stick down. And there we go. We'll leave that for a couple of hours and bring it back. And we'll bring it back to have a look what they look like when they're all finished. So, after removing all the cardboard, the tape and the plastic film off of the Tarmac Sportz Louvres, I've checked all the fitting. It's all gone down really well, all sat correctly in its place. Just give it a nice little clean up afterwards. See what you think.